yung based on the recommendation of the doctor, how often pa kailangan, how frequent ng kanyang dialysis pa.
Meron kami, diabetes siya, pero may liver cirrhosis na siya. So, malaki na yung kanya. So, at the moment, nasa hospital siya. Hindi pa ito makakasama. So, kasi naka-dextrose siya ngayon ng nag-release siya ng death. When niya pwede i-take yung supplement?
Alam mo, at any time pwede niya i-take yan. Ang difficulty lang natin doon is baka mag-administer sa kanya ng drugs sa hospital na hindi natin kabisado yung schedule. Di ba? At kailan alam natin yung schedule na pag-inom ng gamot niya, no? May 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, baka naman isa naman 10 o'clock, isa 11 o'clock, sana kumakuha yung schedule, then may singit lang siya. We always say 2 hours, but it's actually 1.5 hours lamang. So kung isang 9, isang 12, pwede tayo sisingit ng 10:30. Pero please coordinate sa nurse on duty para malaman mo yung schedule. Lalo na baka minsan may intravenous na drugs pa siya na hindi naman kasama doon sa listahan na makita mo. That can be amplified or diminished by our food supplement. So ingat lang. Pwede siya kahit na malala na yung sakit niya, pwede natin bigyan ng supplement. Makakatulong at makakatulong. How much tulong? Depende na lang yan di ba? Depende. Pero might as well give everything that we can. Ingatan mo lang yung minimum 1.5 hours. Kung isang 9, isang 12, sumingit ka pa. 10:30, kaya pa yun. Wag lang gawin mo 1 hour, ha?
Sir, may narinig kami na yung doctor ay nagre-prescribe ng 10 to 15 capsules a day. Is it advisable na we follow their prescription?
That's a very nice question. We always treat our products like 5-Ure, Sambacure Plus, Morinacure Plus, and Jantrin as food supplements. Normally, we recommend 1 capsule a day. But there are doctors who would like to use our products not just as a food supplement, but as therapeutic medicine, no? As medicine. Because our confidence in the product is too high, they're using it for its therapeutic value. At alam nila, to achieve therapeutic value, kailangan nila, tataasan nila yung dosage ngayon. Instead of 1 capsule a day, there are some doctors who are very, very confident on the product. They will say, I want you to take 10 capsules of this a day, 15 capsules of this a day, for 1 consecutive month, tanggal yung ganitong sakit mo. Now, it is at the discretion of that doctor. Kasi ganun kalakas yung confidence niya. We would like to use it as a food supplement, but there are doctors who use it for its therapeutic value. Talagang as medicine ang prescription nila. Now, you've heard Rigel a month ago, tinanong siya about the dosage, at sinabi niya, depende yan sa sakit, ano? There are some who uses it, depende yan sa mga research at saka sa sakit. Meron mga research tayo like 25 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. Meron mga 50 milligrams, may 100 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, and then amplified by piperine and so on and so forth. Kanina, I was suggesting up to 9 capsules a day kanina. Actually, lumalampas na nga tayo sa...
Uminom pala siya ng Jampirin pa kasi. So, 9 to 10 pa ito. So, si Jampirin ilan? Twice.
Jampirin, actually, once a day na ng Jampirin. Malakas naman talaga Jampirin eh. Tapos meron pa siyang Sambacure Plus. Pwede na lang bawasan mo yung... Basta 9 capsules lang siya. So, may Jampirin siya, make it 2, and then 3, yung isa kasabay ng Jampirin yun eh. Okay, nung when I mentioned kanina, 9 capsules a day, it is more than as a supplement eh. Nandun na tayo sa isang taon, malapit na maputo ng paa, at may diabetes siya, might as well give that person every chance, every fighting chance bago maputo ng paa niya. Diba? So when that doctor is prescribing 10 to 15 capsules a day, I think he's prescribing it to some cancer patients. Might as well take it, kesa naman nagtipid ka ngayon 1 capsule a day, at natulungan ka nga pero pa kunti-kunti lamang. But normally we say 1 capsule a day. Okay? That's what we normally say, especially for prevention.
Ang worry namin, marami siya medication, di ba? Pag uminom ka kasi ng Jampirin,
2 hours muna before sa mga after certain medication. Pwede bang pagsabayin, ito yung tinanong na naman kanina, pwede bang pagsabayin yung Jamperin at saka 5 years para ma-save yung time?
Yes.
Kasi inom na ulit siya ng ibang antibiotic eh.
Yes, all of our products can be combined. So Jamperin plus 5-Cure plus Samba-Cure plus Moringa-Cure plus, okay lang, pwede mo siyang pagsasabayin. Huwag lang siyang isasabay doon sa mga antibiotics or sa other medication, other synthetics. Okay? Dahil ang iniingatan natin doon is the piperine. The Jamperin itself contains piperine also. Okay lang yan. Na-research na natin on that level. Safe pa siya doon.
Nasubukan namin 5 years. Nasubukan namin kasi sa isang pasyente na na-admit siya kasi meron siyang mild stroke. So, binigyan namin siya ng 5 years. Ngayon, sabi namin sa kanya, kailangan 2 hours before or 2 hours after, iinumin niya. Ang problema ngayon, uminom siya ng 5 years, a few minutes, nagbigay ng injectables and nerves. So, ang nangyari, nahilo siya.
Yun nga yung nabanggit ko kanina, di ba? Katulad nung sabi mo na meron siyang IV. Ang problema nun, kapag nag-emergency siya, kaya minsan ina-IV yan, it's not for the fluid, but it's for, doon na sila mag-immediate na medicine eh. Kaya, kahit sinabi natin, 9 to 12, 10, 13 na isingit natin, pero in cases of emergency, maaaring mag-inject sila doon at any minute eh. Kaya yun ang iiwasan mo. Yun ang sabi mo, di ba, nag-inject sa
Kasi
kanya.
ang sabi niya, hindi daw niya na, parang nakaligtaan niya sabihin sa amin, na itong, meron pala siyang injectable. Parang nakalimutan
Ang binibilang lang niya, yung oral.
Oo, yun. Hindi niya naisip. So, nung uminom siya, biglang, parang kilong-kilo daw talaga siya.
Meron pa man din injectable na masakit talaga yung ako ito. Yung gagapang talaga rito, no? Malapot
Pero ngayon, yun yung kinukontinue niya kasi nakauwi na siya. Ang inaano ko na lang sa kanya, minomonitor kasi yung mata niya, parang dagdag pa, yung medyo, hindi pa niya maibilat ng maigi.
yan ba yung next go?
Hindi. Ito yung mild stroke.
Okay, yan.
Ito yung mild stroke.
Yan yung
Kaya
mild
sabi ko
stroke.
sa kanya, continue mo na yung fighter, mag-ano yan. Kasi yun yung usually kasi ang mga, yung parang, ng mild stroke. Kasama yun eh.
Meron tayong isang distributor, nasa Laguna siya, no? And then, nagtanong siya, dahil meron isang pasyente nasa hospital ngayon, 7 months pregnant, at na, tawag dito, miscarriage. Palapas pa lang, hindi pa sure kung kailan operahan. At the same time, diabetic yung babae. Actually, gestational diabetes. Ang tanong, yung pasyente gusto-gustong gumamit ng Jamperin. I advise, wag muna because that person may undergo operation anytime. Di ba? Unahin muna yung gamot because I'm sure while inside the hospital, yung kanyang diabetes is being treated naman. Hindi naman matter of life and death and diabetes doon sa hospital. Pinapantayan naman yun. So, i-prioritize muna yung treatment binibigyan ng doktor, especially preparatory for operation na siya. Even after the operation, marami pang gamot na ibibigay sa kanya dyan. Sabi ko, pag uwi sa bahay, tapos na yung mga maraming medication sa hospital, di ba konti na lang yung take-home medication, yun, mag-space out. Sabi ko, tsaka mo lang ibabalik ang Jamperin. So in other words, we should be very realistic and kumaga honest sa pag-share natin ng product. Hindi yung basta magamit at magamit na lang, bahala ka na dyan. So let us say also, wait, maoperahan ka na, may possibility na ganito, hintayin mo lang muna yan. Pag uwi mo, then let's talk about your diabetes again. Because at this point in time, hindi naman diabetes ang problema niya. Yung kanyang anak na kailangan operahan dahil na miscarriage ka siya. Okay? Okay naman yun, I can do it later. Baka bumagsak siya. Babagsak na. May init ko. Okay. So, let's do last question before we close. Wala na? Okay, I appreciate all of you for coming here today. Let us have the confidence in our products. I've been around the country and I've received numerous testimonials about the product. Some of you have heard testimonials also. Yung mga kasamahan natin, when we travel, we hear a lot of people giving testimonies about our product. And we have so many testimonials now, even outside the country, nagte-testimony for the goodness of our product. Let us have confidence. Let us continue to share this product with the rest of the world. I commend you for coming here today, and let us announce our free clinic on Saturday, 1 to 4, our radio program 6 to 7 on Saturday, and 10 to 11 p.m. on Saturday also. Thank you so much, everyone. No, do you have anything else?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, may tanong pa po ba kayo? Pwede